every conversation that might have been private, every picture that might have been private, every bit of geographic data that might have been private in the past. Now, it doesn't always have to be private. We're renegotiating what privacy and trust actually means.
I do think trust is a social construct. It's something that we decide personally and socially.
I think the real problem with trust is that people don't understand what's going on, and why should they, right? I mean, it's like a real estate document. You're never going to read every privacy. I mean, all you care about is the outcome, right? I want the inputs and the outputs. I want a house that I like, and I want an interest rate I like. I don't expect people to understand it all. I think expecting complete transparency in the sausage making is asking too much. But asking what goes into the process and making sure it's fair on the back end is certainly something we can all do.
I would actually say the humans don't need fixing. The tech companies need fixing to some extent. Part of where I feel optimistic about that, honestly, is with diversity and inclusion, because I really think that we are seeing the results of an industry that has been built by a very narrow segment of society, and that as we open up tech companies to represent a much more diverse set of people and opinions, we may really see some change in how people think about these issues.
You can't have a group of engineers creating a lot of algorithms without some other input on the impacts of the AI that they're building.
AI is a tool. In and of itself, it's neutral. And it's up to us how we use it.
There is a sacrosanct relationship between the service provider and the customer, and that trust needs to be maintained. And so I think whether it is through security measures, policies, automation, I think AI has a clear role to play